Hello everybody, I am Aditi and welcome to my channel Let's Talk in English. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well and staying safe. So this is my first video in YouTube in this channel, and for that I am very excited because previously I had never done such kind of videos. This is my first time. There are many contents to make videos in YouTube, but I thought of opening a channel of spoken English because many people are suffering from the problem of spoken English. They can understand English but they can't speak English fluently, and that is their main problem. So, I will try my 100% to teach you people how to speak English properly and fluently. See, speaking English is not a very big deal. You have to know the proper ways, proper rules of grammar, and proper sentences to speak English properly. And if I talk about fluency, it comes on practice. You have to speak English every day with everybody and have to make a practice of it. Then only you can speak English fluently. So, today I decided to teach you some basic English sentences which we use in our daily life conversation. So, let's start. English sentences for daily conversation. Number 1. How are you? তুমি কেমন আছো? Number 2. How is he? সে কেমন আছে? Number 3. How is she? সে কেমন আছে? Number 4 is where are you going? তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ? Number 5. Who are you? আপনি কে? Number 6. Who is he? সে কে? Number 7. Who is she? সে কে? Number 8 is are you coming? আপনি কি আসছেন? Number 9 is are you going? আপনি কি যাচ্ছেন? Number 10 is certainly, which means নিশ্চয়. Number 11. Is he coming? সে কি আসছে? Number 12. Is he going? সে কি যাচ্ছে? Number 13 is are you ready? আপনি কি তৈরি? Number 14. Am I right? ঠিক বলছি কি? Number 15 is are they right? তারা কি ঠিক বলছে? Number 16 is all right, which means আচ্ছা. Number 17. All the same. তা সত্ত্বেও. Number 18. After all. মোট কথা. Number 19. As a matter of fact, which means সত্যি বলতে. Number 20 is how is it? ওটা কেমন আছে? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you people. This is the first part of this series. Soon I will come up with more basic English sentences. Do you want to know more? Then stay connected and keep learning. If you like my teaching, then make sure you like my video and let me know in the comment section if you have any query, and please subscribe to my channel Let's Talk in English and press the bell icon on to get all the notifications whenever I post any video in this channel. Thank you.